Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today I'm making a whiskey tea loaf. This tea loaf is packed with fruit soaked in black tea and whiskey. It's also got some lemon zest in it, and these flavours are fabulous together. And I guarantee you that one slice just won't be enough. Time to start baking. We're starting with the mixed fruit. Pop it into a bowl. Pour in the hot black tea and whiskey. If you prefer to leave the whiskey out, then you can, and believe me, it tastes just as good. But I would top the black tea up with hot water by that amount. Give it a good mix. Now we just need to cover and allow the fruit to soak for a minimum of 6 hours or preferably overnight. The fruit is soaked overnight, and as you can see, the fruit has absorbed the black tea and the fruit is lovely and plump. Pour the soaked fruit into another bowl. We're going to start with 2 eggs, and we need to beat these together before we add them to the fruit. Pour them in and add in the brown sugar, sieved self-raising flour, ground clove, mixed spice and lemon zest. All these flavours are delicious in this tea loaf. Give everything a really good mix together until combined and there's no flour remaining. This is ready for the tin, and I'm baking this in a lined 2-pound loaf tin. Bake in a preheated oven for 60 minutes until golden brown in colour. When the tea loaf is baked, brush with some warm honey. This gives the loaf a lovely shiny look, and allow it to cool in the tin for about half an hour. You'll find the recipe in the description box under the video. I'm going to cut this tea back so you can see what it looks like inside. Look at all that fruit. It's a gorgeous colour, nice and moist, and smells delicious. This is a fab tea loaf, whether you include the whiskey or not. One slice definitely isn't enough. There's nothing like a tea loaf served with plenty of real butter. Spread lots on, just look at that. Please let me know if you try out this whiskey tea loaf recipe. Let me know in the comments below, I'd love to hear from you. Happy baking everyone, enjoy!